Hi trader, and in today's video I increased my balance in 6 times. Can you imagine this? And of course, if you're interested in my personal strategies and in my personal signals, just write me a code word plus social trading in private messages in Telegram. You can find the link in the description, and exactly you can become the next member of my social trading team and binary options team. And also there you can find a lot of useful information about trading, not only signals and not only social trading. Exactly this thing did one of my traders. He started with only 200 and now he did more than 2000 in only 1 week. Can you imagine that? I think it's just an incredible result for everyone. So why are you still isn't in my team? Just follow the link in the description and I'm waiting exactly for you. Well, trader, we are on the broker's website now. At the top you can see the currency pair that I have chosen in advance, and the starting balance for today is $10 and the time frame of the first trade will be 5 minutes. And let's get in the first currency pair. This is a great currency pair, it suits me, and let's close the deal on the price increase. Since we observed that the indicator zigzag, the local maximum isn't fully formed, that says about it. The fact that it's not the final gives us a reason to ignore it, because we already pay attention to the finally formed local minimum or maximum. That is, before opening our deal, the local minimum was finally formed, so we open a deal to increase the price. If we had seen a maximum, we wouldn't have opened a deal on the downside. Also, we can see on the second indicator D marker that it's directed upwards towards the overbought area, and it may even break through this area. All of this tells us we're on an uptrend. And let's take a look at the trade. And we can see that the first candle closed in the same level at which we opened the trade, but the next candle went up just like the third candle. So everything is going according to the plan. While we have time, I would like to share a story with you. This story happens to a newcomer in my team. He told me that, just thanked me that the signals I deliver, he was finally able to earn his first big amount of money and make a very interesting purchase, and thanks to this he is now earning many times more. If you want to know his story in detail, don't forget to join my team of traders. The link will be in the description. But we continue to watch the progress of our trade, and we can still see that the first candle has formed downwards, and the next candle is drawn downwards, but there is still a lot of time before our deal closes, so we shouldn't worry of change anything. And our first deal closed in plus, or a profit is $8.30. The situation was very tense, and the deal was on the verge, but still closed in plus. And so let's just move on to the next currency pair. This currency pair is perfect for me, but the first thing I want to do is reduce my time frame to 4 minutes, and I also want to maximize the trade amount. And let me look at the chart and a little bit is decide which way we should open the deal. And now I'm going to wait for this candle to form and then I'll decide. So this candle has formed down, the next one is forming up, and let's watch the progress a little bit more. Okay, let's open a trade to the upside. I did it because I see the indicator zigzag finally formed a local minimum. Our maximum was where we are here, but then I redrawn upwards, so it's not finally formed. That's why I opened a trade, increased the price, and also you can see from the D-mark indicator that it's now heading upwards. Most likely it will now break through the our bottom area and will continue its upward movement. And let me tell you more about this area, as many novice traders also use this area and ask me why is it. So let me highlight the our bottom area and our sold area. When you observe that the indicator breaks through the oversold area, it will move up for a while, but when there will be a price pullback and it will tend to go down, this will be a sell signal. It also works the other way around. When the indicator breaks through the oversold area, only there will be a buy signal. The only difference between the indicator and the RSI indicator is that the lines of this indicator, after breaking through any of the areas, can move beyond the boundaries for quite a long time. For example, even as long as 5 minutes. Therefore, now we're observing that the indicator will soon break through. Observing that the indicator will soon break the oversold area, and it was the RSI indicator. We would open a down trade, because in 4 minutes we definitely had time for a price pullback, and now I think that the price pullback will not have time to occur, so we open a deal to increase the price. And let's watch the deal to the end, of which there is a little time left. And the first candle formed went up, but not as high as I would like. The second candle is already grown down, and the third candle is quietly forming upwards. I hope that it will go beyond the boundaries of our deal. By the way, while I was telling you about the indicator D-marker, one trader wrote to me and amazed me with his result, and I'll show his result in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, so don't waste your time. And indeed, the candle has reached the level of our trade. Now everything depends on the actual rising candle, and let's observe our chart. So the second trade is over and it closed in plus, and the profit is $15.19, and we're moving on our next currency pair. This currency pair is perfect for me, and of course for beginning we reduce the time frame to 1 minute. We're going to open a trade on the entire current balance. We will open the deal on the price decrease, and I did it because the zigzag indicator has finally formed a local maximum. So the chart will just move downwards, and this is also confirmed by the indicator D-marker. And now we can see that it behaves after breaking the area. It's really quite long enough for it to stay outside the boundaries. Presumably, somewhere around the point there was a price failure, and all this time the indicator has been moving down. Right now, it's continuing that trend, and let's watch the trade that are just seconds away. And the last deal is over and it's closed in plus, so let me show you how to withdraw money to your account. First, we need to click on the dollar icon, then click on the word withdrawal, and I will withdraw money in USDT on the balance. I put $10, and all the rest of the money I will withdraw. Then I enter my data and click continue, and as you can see, the withdrawal really came, and this is where I say goodbye to you. So if you like this video, then just subscribe to my channel. There you can find all the necessary information about binary options trading, and of course don't forget about my Telegram channel, private Telegram channel. There you can access absolutely for free. All links in the description, and thank you all for watching. Bye.